Hello and welcome. If you are watching this video, you are likely looking for a way to break free from the stress of manual trading. Staring at charts all day, battling emotions, and dealing with the psychological weight of the markets can be exhausting. What you are watching on your screen right now is the ultimate solution to that problem. This is a live screen recording of the AGIS Grid Algo, specifically running our highly sought-after XAUUSD Pro Mode. Throughout this video, you won't just see numbers moving on a screen. I am going to walk you through the exact financial mechanics, the risk management protocols, and the hidden strategies that make this algorithm a continuous profit-generating machine. Notice how the trades are opening and closing trades entirely on their own. This is a fully automated system running on MetaTrader 5. You simply set it up, watch the charts, and let the algorithm do the heavy lifting. There is no manual intervention required. Whether you're at work, spending time with your family, or sleeping, the AGIS Grid Algo is navigating the markets for you.
Let's talk about the foundation of this setup: capital and account structuring. To run this specific XAUUSD Pro Mode, the required capital is $1,000. However, the secret to its safety and longevity is that we run this algorithm on a cent account. In the financial world of algorithmic trading, precision and margin management are everything. By depositing $1,000 into a cent account, your working balance is reflected as 100,000 cents. Why is this so crucial? Because it gives the algorithm maximum breathing room. It allows the EA to execute trades using ultra-micro lot sizes that would be impossible on a standard account. This massive buffer of 100,000 units means the algorithm can absorb normal market fluctuations without ever putting a dangerous strain on your free margin. It is the ultimate mathematical defense against market volatility.
Now, let's dive into the detailed financial mechanics of how this algorithm actually pulls money from the market. We utilize an advanced grid trading method combined with an everyday profit concept. Here is the core philosophy. We do not close trades at a loss. We only close trades at a profit. How is this mathematically possible? When the market moves against an initial position, the algorithm dynamically places a grid of subsequent orders at calculated intervals. Because gold, XAUUSD, is highly volatile, it constantly moves in waves. It never just goes straight up or straight down forever. It always retraces. Within this Pro Mode, we offer two distinct variants: fixed lot size and martingale lot size. In the video you are watching right now, we are utilizing the martingale variant. When the algorithm opens new grid levels, it strategically increases the lot size. Financially speaking, this shifts the average break-even point closer to the current market price. The moment gold makes its natural pullback or retracement, the algorithm closes the entire basket of trades in a net profit. Because of this aggressive, highly calculated martingale scaling, this version is incredibly lucrative. It targets a 2 to 5% daily return, which means on a $1,000 account, you can expect an estimated $20 to $50 per day. In highly volatile conditions, this specific martingale mode adapts to the market and can aggressively capture profits up to $70 per day.
Let's show the market experiences a violent, unidirectional spike, and the account reaches a predetermined drawdown limit. For example, a $100 floating loss. Instead of blowing the account or continuing to open risky trades, the algorithm triggers its defense mechanism. It immediately opens a hedge position. This means it takes a trade in the opposite direction of the current losing basket, completely locking the margin and freezing the floating loss. Once the market stabilizes and the erratic volatility dies down, the algorithm calculates the optimal exit. It will automatically release the hedge and carefully close out the basket in a profit. However, we also give you total control. If you prefer, there are options right on the dashboard to manually intervene and close the hedge at a minor loss to immediately free up your equity. You choose the option that fits your risk appetite. Furthermore, we employ strict weekend protection. The algorithm is coded to ensure that no floating profits or losses are trapped over the weekend. Weekend gaps, where the price jumps significantly between Friday's close and Monday's open, are a massive risk in trading. Our algorithm eliminates this risk entirely by clearing the board before the week ends.
Timing in the markets is just as important as strategy. To ensure flawless execution, this algorithm requires a VPS, or virtual private server, so it can run continuously without depending on your personal computer or internet connection. The algo trades actively for 22 hours every single day. But notice the deliberate pauses. It pauses all new trading activity 2 hours before the daily market close, and it waits for 30 minutes after the daily market open to resume. Why do we do this? During the daily market rollover, spreads widen dramatically and liquidity drops, causing erratic and unpredictable price action. By staying out of the market during this transition, the algorithm protects your capital from slippage and spread manipulation, entering only when the market is highly liquid and stable.
The fully automated XAUUSD Martingale Pro Mode you are watching is a high-profit powerhouse. We understand that every investor has different goals. That is why we offer multiple variants of the AGIS Grid Algo. You can try all of them and choose the one that suits your style. If you are a conservative investor, we offer the Standard Mode. This requires a $2,000 capital base. It is an ultra-safe algorithm designed to generate a steady, compounding profit of up to 10% per month with incredibly low drawdown. If you prefer trading Forex pairs instead of commodities, we have the EUR-USD Pro Mode. Because EUR-USD is much less volatile than gold, this variant runs on a smaller capital requirement of just $300. The profit range is smaller but extremely consistent, generating between $4.50 to $9 per day, which equates to a very healthy 1.5% to 3% daily return. Whether you want aggressive daily cash flow or slow, steady compounding, the Aegis Grid Algo adapts to you.
In the world of automated trading, seeing is believing. We operate with complete transparency. We provide a read-only investor ID to the public. You can log into our live accounts, watch these trades unfold in real time, and verify the profitability yourself without spending a dime. But we take it a step further. We are currently providing this algorithm to test for free for up to 3 months. During this 3-month trial, you can run the algorithm, monitor the drawdown, verify the daily profits, and most importantly, build complete confidence in the system. Once you see the consistent results and understand how the hedging and grid mechanics protect your money, you can seamlessly transition to a real live account.
When it comes to upgrading to a live account, we offer highly competitive pricing plans that make sense for traders of all levels. The market is constantly moving. Make sure you have an algorithm that moves with it, adapts to volatility, and secures everyday profits. If you are ready to stop trading manually, start your free trial, or if you just want to know more about our competitive pricing, we are ready to help. Visit our official website at www.bcbelevatetrading.com. You can also reach out to our support team directly on WhatsApp. Just click the contact link in the bio of this video to get started today. Thank you for watching, and welcome to the winning side of algorithmic trading.